Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix Instagram comments not showing on your iPhone. So for instance, there's a lot of comments here and you cannot open it. Of course I can, but if you can't, it's a very simple fix. You are just going to go to the App Store and select the apps that you have not updated. So as you can see, I have not updated Instagram, so I'm just going to select update, and when I've opened the Instagram app, I'll be able to view the comments now. That is pretty much the fix. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!